So this is our next day after head shave, and this time we decided to shave our heads at New Delhi, which is very
cold
atmosphere, and we are feeling very cold on our hands. It's very sensitive, and it's just like it's chilling.
Yeah, like you feel the coldness at your palms, at your feet, the same you are feeling on your head.
Yeah.
So it is very freezing feeling, and you should wear a cap for that.
So we are sitting at our home gym and we were doing deadlifts. We really do very heavy workouts. And
you please subscribe our channel. There is lot more to come on our bald heads, and there are a lot more to come.
So we are certified fitness professionals, certified trainers, CrossFit trainers, and then we are certified nutritionists also. So if you want guidance, you want online training,
and you want diet counseling, and how to reduce your fat, how to build your muscle, how to gain weight, we will be guiding you in every form and at the best quality as well.
And please watch our video. So we will be doing a lot of things with our bald heads, especially Richa will be doing something different this time.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. And if you want our other videos also with the English subtitles, so please let us know, comment below them, so that we can add English subtitles as well.
Yeah, and we have decided that we will be making videos in English too for our English crowd. So nothing to worry about. We can speak in English very well, and we can guide you, we can train you also. We have a lot of overseas clients also. So just be in contact.
Yeah,
and
like you all are asking that how I recovered from fracture. It is very easy for us because we had red meat, so it really helped us for the recovery. And the meanwhile, I am wearing this knee spacer.
No, this is web spacer.
Web spacer. This will help my thumb to locate properly. See.
Yeah.
And it is fully recovered now. Not even 2 months is there.
So before doctor said that it will take around 3 to 4 months.
Then after that we have
she
to
can do workouts.
Yeah, after that we have
But
to
you
go for
can follow our Instagram account. So she started working out just after 45 days, and she was working out throughout her injury also, but she was not doing deadlifts and squats.
After 4 days.
Yeah, so she was doing sported exercises only. Now she's back to her poundages. She is squatting, deadlifting, everything. So keep watching our vlog and comment below.
If you want any information about diet, fitness, and weight loss.
And you can suggest also. So we have many thoughts for our head shave videos, so you can guide us, and we will surely pick up some comments from your side and try to head shave in that manner also.
And let us know, we want to come live. Let us know when all you want us to come live, so that maximum of us can talk.
And we can answer your questions.
Yeah.
So friends, now we are working out, then we will be visiting market. So
whoa, it is surprise, don't disclose it, that you will be seeing. So stay tuned, and please subscribe our channel and like this video and watch till end, please.
So this is our house in New Delhi.
It's on 21st floor.
And we are doing heavy deadlifts, and we have squat rack and everything in our house. And you can see this is our view from outside. And as we are fitness professionals and we know the value of fitness, our house has we have dedicated two rooms.
Drawing room and one of the biggest room to the gym only. So this is our house, and
so these are the heavy dumbbells.
45 kgs के dumbbells हैं हमारे पास.
And this is weight. And
this is the curve treadmill जो आपको जिम में देखने के लिए भी नहीं मिलेगी, वो हमारे घर में है.
And one more room we have dedicated to our home gym. So this is leg curl machine and lateral raise machine, and some more weights. and these are the pics when we had here. So this is me and Richa. So we in Goa, Andamans. So we, and this is our bedroom. It's really messed up, and this is view from our bedroom. So we can see whole Delhi from here.
अब हिंदी में भी बोल लो।
तो दोस्तों यहाँ से हमारे बेडरूम से ये व्यू आता है और पीछे पूरी मेट्रो भी दिखती है हमको। और ये जब हमारे बाल थे तो हम ऐसे दिखते थे। तो ये मैं हूँ, ये रिचा है, ये हमारी और फोटोज हैं।
ये मैं हूँ, ये रिचा है। अब मैंने सुमित को बोला है कि यार कोई टकले वाली फोटो मस्त वाली खिंचवा कर इस दीवार पे लगाते हैं।
तो अब रिचा का सेट है।
अभी मैं बिजी हूँ, मेरा Amazon वाला है।
हेलो।
तो आज हमारे हेड शेफ के बाद हमारा नेक्स्ट डे है। आज हम सुबह सुबह से वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं।
पीछे हमारी डेडलिफ्ट्स लगी हुई हैं, तो डेडलिफ्ट हम कर रहे हैं। और
भैया टकले पे क्या ज्यादा ठंड लग रही है, आई कांट इमेजिन।
तो अभी तक हमने हेड शेफ गोवा में ही कराया था। गोवा में वेदर इतना ठंडा नहीं होता, तो हमको इतना पता नहीं था। तो दिल्ली में करा के तो भैया इतनी सेंसिटिव स्किन है, ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे ठंड में हाथ जम जाते हैं, पैर जम जाते हैं, वही हाल सिर का है।
हाँ,
तो सिर पे भी बहुत ही ज्यादा ठंड लगती है,
पूरा फ्रोजन। और देखो क्योंकि ना अभी अभी करवाया तो इट इज वेरी सेंसिटिव, तो उसको ऐसे 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 टच भी नहीं कर सकते। कवर करो तो ऐसे चिपक जाती है कैप भी और शॉल भी। तो मतलब दिल्ली में करवाने का बहुत ही डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस रहा। और
मतलब आप ठंडे इलाके में रहते हो तो भैया
ठंड बहुत ज्यादा लग रही है।
आपके पास एक गर्म टोपी तो होनी चाहिए।
हाँ, और मैंने भी सारी टोपियां घुमा दी है। सुमित की एक टोपी मैं पहनकर घूम रही हूँ, सुमित बेचारा ऐसे घूम रहे हैं। तो अभी हम जाएंगे, सुमित को टोपी दिलाएंगे। और मतलब कि बहुत ही ज्यादा ठंड लग रही है।
सो फ्रेंड्स,
आप हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें।
तो फ्रेंड्स प्लीज़ हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। और हम अभी और भी बहुत कुछ कराने वाले हैं अपने टकले पे, तो उसके लिए आप तैयार रहें। सो फ्रेंड्स, रिचा इज डूइंग 90 kgs डेडलिफ्ट।
देखते होएगी दीदी।
सो बिफोर इंजरी शी कैन डू 110 kgs. Now she is back to 90 kgs and she can easily do 3 reps. 1, 2, last one, come on. Okay, so I think it will get, she will be back to 110 kgs after a month. It will take a month.
एक महीना?
Yeah.
एक महीना? No, after
So now-
10 days.
So it's now it's my turn.
Now it's Sumit's turn. He is just preparing himself for the heavy deadlift. It's its warm up only. So now he will be lifting. How much weight, Sumit? 110.
First regular deadlift and then
One is regular deadlift and the another one is sumo deadlift. It is its warm up only. Very nice. बहुत बढ़िया, very good. Sumit is maintaining proper form and posture, which is very important. Please don't do in the wrong posture. Now this is sumo deadlift. Very nice. बहुत बढ़िया। बहुत ही बढ़िया. Now he will increase weight of his deadlift. So this is our daily routine. We work out daily. And now we rest after 6 days. That is also very important.